Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device is charged and unlocked so the change won't be interrupted. Open Settings and tap Security or Lock Screen. Different manufacturers label it slightly differently. You may be asked to authenticate with your current lock. Enter your PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. Once authenticated, locate Screen Lock or Lock Screen Preferences. Make sure to note any encrypted storage warnings, because removing a password can affect access to some secure apps or encrypted files. You'll now choose the Unlock option. Tap Screen Lock and pick None or swipe to remove password protection. The system prompts for your current password again. Enter it to confirm that you own the device. After confirmation, the UI will show a warning about losing some secure features. Read it and accept if you understand. Make sure biometrics are turned off separately if they were tied to the lock. Once changed, some apps may request re-login because their credentials were tied to the lock. You finish by locking the phone and unlocking to confirm the password is removed. This verifies success immediately. If you used biometric methods, make sure to disable or reconfigure them in the same security panel so they don't cause conflicts. If an app still asks for the old credential, sign out and sign back in. If settings won't accept your current password or options are grayed out, reboot the device. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.